everyone! So, medyo kakagising ko lang. Pero, 2:34 na. It's Sunday today, guys. And, right now kasi, parang meron akong panibagong goal na I have to like dedicate at least 1 or 2 days in a week na kailangan like magpapahinga lang ako. Today, I'm going to take a really long shower with this one. So, I will be exfoliating again, guys. Kasi medyo nagiging ashy na naman yung ganito ko kasi nag-aaral-aral na naman ako. So, yun, kapag nag-aaral kasi ako, usually nakapatong siya. So, that's why it is really important for us to exfoliate to get rid of those dead skin cells. So, still using this one. This is from Grease and Glow. This is their white B3 clay body scrub. Hindi na ako nagbalit ng damit kasi kasi nagsando ako. Usually kasi yung mga sando ko is cotton and parang medyo mahirap tanggalan yung mga natirang body scrub. So, it's much easier to like remove it. So, it looks like in the inside, guys. And just want to like grab. Start applying in here na. Lather my skin with this one and medyo ipapasettle ko lang siya ng 10 minutes, 5 minutes. I'm all lather up and medyo nagsettle na rin siya for like almost 10 minutes na rin. And look, guys. So, ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. Mas kita yata dito. And that's how it looks like. And then, I will just go to the shower and continue doing this and I will be back. Parang naglo-lotion yan or whatever. Also very smooth and of course, mabango din. Akong top na mahanap na showcase kung gaano ka glowing yung skin ko after using that body scrub. So, ayan, tignan nyo na lang. And this is your reminder to exfoliate. Bye-bye!